Completing the 0-point calibration of your meter is the single most important step when setting up your meter for the first time. Essentially, you're setting the no-flow conditions for the transmitter. We recommend using the 0-point calibration when your system is closest to the actual operating conditions, particularly in terms of temperature. First, be sure to shut off flow through the meter with a shutoff valve to ensure the flow rate is truly at 0. Press and hold the P key to enter the programming menu. Your first option is 0 offset. Press the P key again. Once again, change the code from 2206 to 2207, and then press the P key to enter. At this point, you will choose your type of averaging. To initiate the 0-point calibration, press the slow key for long averaging or the fast key for short averaging. We recommend slow averaging when setting up the 0-point calibration for the first time, and fast if you simply want to verify your calibration. Once the countdown and calibration is complete, press the exit key to return to the 0 offset main menu. Press the exit key again to return to the home screen.